10 Wild Animals in Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a landlocked African country located in the northeastern part of the continent, below the Sahara. Though French is its official language, only 15% of the population speaks. An interesting part of the country that I wanted to tackle is its wildlife. In light of that, I have listed the best of it, and I hope you will love learning what animals live in Burkina Faso. On place 10, Great Snipe. The great snipe is a small species of wader native to northeastern Europe. Why is it on this list then? Because, during winter, it migrates to almost all of sub-Saharan Africa. This bird's population is in steep decline due to hunting and habitat loss. It is known for being able to fly very fast, up to 97 km/h/60 mph, without stopping, over huge distances. Their diet is made of earthworms and insects, as well as some plants. On place 9, Boudiouan snake eagle. Boudiouan snake eagle is a species of snake eagle native to the Sahel region, in West Africa. It is considered a vulnerable eagle, and its global population is on the decline, mostly due to the rising human populations in the Sahel regions. An estimated 3,500 to 15,000 individuals are thought to be in the wild right now. It lives in wooded savanna and other open woodlands, and hunts from a perch. On place 8, Oribi. The oribi is a small species of antelope native to eastern, western, and southern Africa. It is the only member of its genus and is active by day. Usually, it lives in small herds of around 4 members, and feeds on fresh grasses. It inhabits a variety of areas, such as tropical grasslands and savannas. Only male oribis have horns, which are thin and straight. There are currently around 750,000 individuals in the wild. On place 7, Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, also known as the chimp, is a species of great ape native to tropical Africa. It can be found in forests and savannas. This ape lives in groups of up to 150 individuals, though it usually prefers smaller groups of around 10 to 15 animals. Like most apes, it lives in a male-dominated hierarchy, but disputes are usually settled without violence. It is one of the smartest species of monkeys, being able to use tools and modify sticks and rocks to hunt and find honey, ants, nuts, and water. On place 6, Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is one of the most famous large animals in Africa. It is herbivorous and semi-aquatic, and can be found throughout almost all of sub-Saharan Africa. It lives near bodies of fresh water and feeds on grass. It is known for being one of the most unpredictable mammals, and a very aggressive animal. Because of this, it often charges and attacks boats, and can easily kill humans. It can also run extremely fast, making it one of the most dangerous large animals in Africa. On place 5, Striped Polecat. The striped polecat, also known as the African skunk, the zoril, the Cape polecat, or the zorilla, is a species of mustelid that looks like a skunk. Its other name zorilla comes from the Spanish word zorro, which means fox. It can be found in dry and arid areas, such as savannas. These polecats are carnivores. Their diet is mostly made of small rodents, birds, snakes, insects, and amphibians, and their very sharp teeth are perfectly adapted to shear flesh. On place 4, Spotted-necked otter. The spotted-necked otter, also known as the speckled-throat otter, is a species of otter native to sub-Saharan Africa. It can be found throughout most of the southern half of the continent, predominantly in the western countries. These otters live in lakes and large rivers, and they feed on fish. Their main predators are crocodiles and fish eagles, but their biggest threats are habitat destruction and pollution, which is why they are on the decline. On place 3, African bush elephant. The African bush elephant, also known as the African savanna elephant, is one of 2 living African elephant species. It is famous worldwide for being the largest living terrestrial animal. It can reach up to 3.96 meters/13 foot in shoulder height, and weigh up to 10.4 tons/11.5 short tons. This species of elephant can be found in 37 African countries, and it inhabits woodlands, agricultural land, and wetlands. Sadly, it is seriously threatened by habitat destruction and poaching. On place 2, Northwest African cheetah. The Northwest African cheetah, also known as the Sahara cheetah, is a critically endangered species of cheetah native to the Sahara and the Sahel. Compared to other African cheetahs, it has a shorter coat and a whiter color. It also has no spots on the face, and it is overall smaller. These cheetahs are nocturnal, which is not very surprising considering the harsh climate of the Sahara, with a daytime temperature of more than 40 Celsius. On place 1, serval. The serval is a species of wildcat native to Africa. It lives in most of sub-Saharan Africa, from northwestern countries like Burkina Faso to South Africa. Apart from rainforest regions, it is seen everywhere, usually in protected areas. It likes savannas and cork oak forests. This wildcat is solitary and carnivore, and is active both by day and at night. Its diet is majorly made of rodents, small birds, insects, and reptiles. It has a particularly good sense of hearing it uses to locate prey.